Palantir is up 6.7% today, and I'm going to explain to you guys why I unfortunately think that the time to take profits is now. We're going to go over some smart money concepts. We're going to talk about the head and shoulders that's forming, and ultimately why I believe that in the short term, we should see a pullback. My name is Peterdicarlo. I've been a full-time trader for the past 8.5 years. I run a free trading community, the first link in the description, with over 11,700 members, and all of our trading resources and community is completely free. Our goal is to help you guys become consistent and profitable, but most importantly, to make this as simple as a process as we can, because simplicity is truly understanding of something. When you can explain it in a simple manner, you truly do not conceptualize that idea or whatever it is that you're doing. Now, in order to make this more effective, we're going to go back and do a bar replay. So this is a 1-hour chart on Palantir. You guys are going to see up here in the corner. And what we're going to be doing is just running a bar replay so that you can see what was happening in real time. So this is back here on the 26th. At this point, we were consolidating, moving our way down to this week low of about $13.68. And if I were to zoom out very briefly, you can see that we do have a head and shoulders pattern that is still in effect now. So at that point, we had a ton of consolidation. Big breakout here yesterday, Wednesday the 27th. We pulled back and we did cover a video on this, saying that we do think we could see Palantir push up to a max of maybe $15.50 to $16. So we had that order block that you just saw was taken out. And from here, if we let this play out, the second order block up here at $15.48, and now the strong high up at $16.17. Now, there's one thing I do want to state here is that while we are making these higher highs, and it does look like we could reject coming up here at 16, the RSI down the bottom and the money flow, this is not making a divergence yet. So in general, we are still looking strong to the upside. It's just more about your risk versus reward here because this resistance level is so strong. So in my personal opinion, what I'd probably be looking to do if you got in calls or shares around $14 is I'd be looking to potentially de-risk your position. One of the best ways you can do this with options is scaling out and starting to sell your positions. So let's say that you ended up getting 10, 20, maybe 30 contracts down here at $14. What you could start to do right now is sell half of them because you're probably up 40, 50, 60, maybe even 100% on some contracts sitting here at $16. And from there, I would be selling half of mine right around that level, as we said. And then I'd be looking to sell the other half up at 17. And then depending really on how far out in time you have, you could even go up and sell the rest at $19. So overall, Palantir is looking good, but I do think short-term getting through $16 is going to be pretty tough. And if I had any positions that expire within the next week or so, I would definitely at least be looking to potentially scale out of that trade. Thanks for all the support, guys. If you want to trade side by side with me every day, go check out our Discord community. If you want to get access to all of my trades, all of our courses, all of our trading bots, our unusual options bots, and more, as well as live stream with us every single week, you can do the second link in the description, which will get you access to the private side of the community. It's completely free for your first month. And the goal is for us to prove to you guys, number one, that we're legit, and number two, that it's worth your time to invest in us. Thank you guys for all of the support, and I'll see you tomorrow.